Mazda is back with a game changer. The 2026 CX-5 is here with a bold new design, a revolutionary hybrid system, and a simplified lineup, making it easier than ever to choose your perfect SUV. But is this the ultimate mid-size SUV yet? Stick around, because we're breaking down all the exciting details. Sleek and modern exterior. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 steps up its game with a sleek front fascia, featuring sharp LED headlights and a bold, wide grille, striking the perfect balance between luxury and practicality. Mazda's signature KODO design ensures this SUV stands out on the road while keeping everyday usability in mind. Mazda's first in-house hybrid system. Here's the biggest upgrade: the all-new Mazda-engineered hybrid transmission. Unlike the CX-50, which uses Toyota's hybrid tech, the CX-5 system is 100% Mazda-developed, focusing on cleaner emissions and better fuel efficiency. With global emissions regulations tightening, this hybrid tech is a major step forward. Next-gen Skyactiv Z engine. Power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 will pack the new Skyactiv Z 4-cylinder engine, replacing the older Skyactiv G and Skyactiv X models. This engine is built for higher thermal efficiency, lower emissions, and stronger performance, meeting strict US and European standards. Expect better fuel economy without sacrificing power. Global rollout and sales success. Mazda has confirmed the CX-5 will launch between 2025 to 2027 worldwide. Despite the CX-50's presence, the CX-5 remains a global bestseller, with over 22,000 units sold in Australia alone in 2023, making it the third best-selling mid-size SUV there. So, what do you think of the 2026 Mazda CX-5? Is it the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and performance? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more car news. See you in the next video.